Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. It is not just in western Ladakh that China has become aggressive since Galwan Valley clash. Instead, PLA has shifted its strategy to test Indian Army in eastern sector. PLA is trying to intrude into Indian territory almost after every 2 weeks. However, Indian Army foiled every bid of China to infiltrate LAC. This all has happened due to increased focus on technology-backed surveillance techniques. Recently, we have made a detailed video in which we have explained how Huron drones and facial recognition software is being used by Indian Army to identify Chinese soldiers near border areas. Now, as per some latest reports, the Indian Army has been able to block Chinese patrolling into Indian territories by countering them earlier than before, which caught PLA into surprise. Moreover, Indian side is concerned over speeding up in infrastructural development activities close to LAC across eastern sector. So in this video, we are going to discuss the latest development by PLA and Indian Army in eastern sector of LAC. So let's get started. Now talking about the eastern sector of LAC, unlike western sector of LAC, the eastern sector is more heavily defended since the troops are sitting right at the LAC at many locations. The eastern sector of LAC is vast landmass covering a total distance of 1346 km. This area is looked after by 3 corps of army. Beside the 3 corps, the Eastern Command now has 17 Mountain Strike Corps, also exclusively looking after the eastern sector for offensive operations. In case of Arunachal Pradesh, there are 2 corps which are looking after the LAC, the Tejpur based 4 corps and Dimapur based 3 corps. 4 corps which look after the western part of Arunachal Pradesh is at advantageous position since they are already sitting right at the LAC in most locations. The situation is different when it comes to 3 corps which look after the eastern Arunachal Pradesh. The area of 3 corps is wider and many of their locations are several kilometers away from the LAC since infrastructure is still being made and greater challenge is here. It is not as if the areas under the 4th corps is calm. There are about 15 to 16 places under the 4th corps where Chinese attempt to transgress every fortnight. Also, there was rise in patrolling activities by PLA after Galwan Valley clash. The patrolling has become more frequent and patrolling team was larger. But Indian Army is ready to foil any mischief by PLA and advanced technology is boosting the capabilities of our soldiers. As per some sources, PLA soldiers has been surprised by the speed at which Indian soldiers were able to give them a face-off. They even asked a few times how we were able to spot them so soon. They asked where the cameras were. India is keeping track of Chinese build-up in depth areas away from the LAC and fine-tuning its operational plan accordingly. But the Indian Defense Establishment is concerned over China speeding up its infrastructure development activities close to the LAC across eastern sector, besides beefing up its position with more soldiers and equipment. This has meant that there is a greater concentration of troops not just in depth areas but at the LAC itself. Now talking about the advanced surveillance technology, the Eastern Command is focusing on technology for surveillance rather than more boots on the ground. Indian Army have eyes not only at LAC but also deep inside the LAC. The immediate advantage that India has got because of the greater deployment of technology and their integration with chain of command is that Indian soldiers are now aware of the movement of PLA troops. Army has set up a division surveillance center at Rupa, Arunachal Pradesh, which is receiving real-time image and inputs of PLA movement along LAC from multiple sources like UAVs, heliborne sensors, ground radar and satellite feeds for gathering and analyzing, leading to a quick response. Army is also using advanced artificial intelligence algorithm developed indigenously used for facial recognition, identification of PLA soldiers and their movement. You have to also understand that this information has been released by Indian Army to media houses and they are well known to underplay their capability, unlike China, whose missile range increases by every day. The Eastern Command has also set up an integrated surveillance facility which rely on almost 24 by 7 drone and satellite feed up to keep the track of Chinese buildup. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.